Hello guys, today we're ranking all cube combination number cubes, but in this list there are only number cubes that give you a title or a badges. Okay, starting with the first one is a 2 cube. I really like this cube. This is the start of all number cubes that ever made in cube combination. This is the best one. I probably doing S plus tier. Okay, the next one is a 4 cube. Oh my god, this is so awful. It's like a copy of 2 cube that is so useless. But still D tier. The next one is a 8 cube. The first cube that have a color, and this color looks like shit here. The next one is 16 cube. This is more red than the 8 cube. This has 2 numbers and 1 and 6. I really like this cube. 8 tier. The next one is a 32 cube. Oh my god, this is more red than 16 cube. It has a 3 and 2 number, and it has 2, so it's probably one of the most best cubes in the game. But I put it in A tier, like 16 cube. Okay, next one is a 64 cube. Oh my god, look at this color. This is so red and looks like a лосось. So A tier. The next one is a 128 cube. This is the first yellow cube. It has 3 numbers, 1, 2 and 8. So I really like this color. B tier. The next one is a 256 cube. Oh my god. This is more than 128 cube. It doubled, and it has more yellow than 128 cube. But I put it in B tier because it's yellow. The next one is a 512 cube. This cube is the best because it's half of 1024 cube. I really like his yellow color. The next one is 1024 cube. Oh my god, this is first title and badges you can get in cube combination. And it has a cool combining animation. But still, it's not the best, but for beginners, S tier. The next one is a 2048 cube. This is a basic cube, like it's the end of game called 2048. So, but still, this is a best cube for beginners, cube makers, and players. S tier. The next one is a 4096 cube. Look at this blue color, or should I say cyan color. IDK. This is a doubled version of 2048, and things getting harder. This cube is hard to make, but still it's a easy cube for top grinders. But I put it in A tier because it's hard. The next one is a 8192 cube. Look at this color. It's like my color of F tier. But still, this cube is already hard to make. I really like his color, and it's like usually people stops to make number cubes. The next one is a 16,384 cube. This cube has 5 numbers: 1, 6, 3, 8 and 4. Oh my god. This is a first cube that has 5 numbers. And it has like, let's say, pink color IDK. Still, this one cube is hard to make, really hard. If you're doing this solo, this cube gonna take you a week or more. I put it in B tier because it's so hard. The next one is a 32,768 cube. Oh my god, look at this color. It's more orange than 16,384 cube. But still, this one has a cool color, so I put it in B tier. The next one is a 65,536 cube. This is the OG one. This is a cube that was never mind. I just put it in S tier because I can explain this shit. I don't prepare a script for this video. I can't explain anything. Okay, the next one is a 65,537 cube. It's in 1 cube more than the 65,536 cube. This cube is unusual. It's red cube plus white cube that replaces 2 cube in 65,537 times. I have this title. I really like it, so S tier. The next one is a 131,072 cube. This one has a cool red color and it has a cool activation animation. It's like combining two 65,536 cubes, and it has a big explode when combining two 65,536 cubes. This one is really hard to make. It's 2 times harder than 65,536 cube. But for its color, I put it in A tier. The next one is a 262,144 cube. Look at this color. I will stop explaining how cool animations or this combining two cubes. So I put it in C tier because it's so hard to make. The next one is a 524,288 cube. Look at this guy. He has a orange color, but still it's so hard to make. It's looking ready to make this cube. The next one is a 1,048,576 cube. This is not the hardest cube to make, and it has a emerald color or green one. And look at this dude. It's first green color of all number cubes, because it have a red one like 64 cube, or yellow like the OG cubes, but because it's so hard, but it has a cool animation, I put it in B tier. The next one is a 1 cube. This is so hard to make. It's a 2 million cubes inside 1 cube, but it has a altar when you put all number cubes. It has the best animation of all. Not the best. Not the best, I'll say. Not the best. It has a boss fight with Drake. It's so hard to make, but this is so awesome cube. I put it in S+ tier. The next one is the 1 trillion cube. This cube is very hard to get. Only, I will remember, 30 people had it, or maybe 35. But still, look at this guy. It has a... Look at this halo. It's like a... It has a very big using animation, so I put it in S tier. This is the best cube. But we have one extra cube. It's an admin cube that I can read. This is so big number. This is 1 million. I don't have this one, so F tier. Okay, guys, this is one of my biggest tier list I ever made without script. Okay, this is all for now. Subscribe to my channel to see more tier list and